Hello! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, home screen basically. And once you see the current watch face, you can press and hold on it to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. Some of them have the settings icon under them, and you can tap on the settings icon, and this will allow you to change a couple of things. For example, here we can change the time color, dial color, accent color, hard color, and stuff like that. You can tap on the color and change it to your liking. You can also enable and disable the activity widgets. You can set the goals, enable the colorize option, and you can save the look if you want to. And once you're done editing, you can, oh, I forgot to mention, you can also change the widget. As you can see, we have widgets right here. You can tap on the widget and you can change it to something else if you like it. Okay, and once you're done editing your watch face, you can simply press the middle button, I believe, to apply the changes like this. Another thing you can do is to add more watch faces to the list. So as you can see, right now we have only 3 of them, but you can swipe all the way to the right, or you can swipe left, but scroll all the way to the right, and you will see the see more watch faces option. You can tap on it, and here we have the list of watch faces we can add to the watch face list. So find the watch face you would like to add, tap on it, it's gonna be added to the list, and then you can tap on it to apply it. And you can also remove the watch faces from the list by swiping up on them, like that. Okay, and you can also change the watch faces through the settings. You can do it by opening the settings, so you can press the middle button, find the settings icon, tap on it, and here tap on display, change watch face, and of course you can select the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.